and today I'm gonna teach you how to make artichoke in an Instant Pot. The first thing you have to do is cut off the bottom and the top. But I'm too little to use it because I'm only 4, so my mom's gonna help me. This is what it looks like to the bottom and the top when you cut it. Next step you're gonna do is you're gonna put 2 cups of water in the Instant Pot. And now, next you're gonna put your artichoke in top side down. Next, sprinkle a little garlic powder. And then add some salt. We really love garlic, so we're gonna put in some fresh cloves that my mom chopped up. Next, put the cover on the Instant Pot and seal it up. Seal it up. Now put the Instant Pot on high pressure.